Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are not going to treat English like a subject. We are going to use it like a daily skill, something that helps you in real life and also supports your exam preparation.
Yes, and that is where most learners get confused. They think exam preparation and English learning are separate paths, but actually they move together.
Exactly. When you improve your daily communication, your performance in exams automatically becomes stronger.
And the biggest mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once, which creates pressure.
Instead of that, focus on clarity. Use simple sentences, speak slowly, and keep your thoughts organized.
Because clear ideas are always more powerful than complicated language.
Let's imagine a simple situation. You wake up and say a few lines about your plan. No writing, no memorizing, just speaking.
Then, during the day, you listen to easy English, not fast, not confusing, just something your mind can absorb.
And at night, you again speak about your day. This small habit builds connection with the language.
And honestly, if someone is listening right now and finding this useful, this is the right moment to support the channel as well.
Yes, if this conversation is helping you even a little, just take 1 second to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming sessions.
And also, drop a comment saying, "I will start today," because writing it makes your intention stronger.
Now let's talk about something important, hesitation. Many learners stop speaking because they think their English is not perfect.
But perfection is not required. Communication is the goal.
Even simple sentences can express your thoughts clearly. What matters is continuity.
So instead of stopping, keep going with basic structure.
Yes, because when you continue speaking, your brain stays active and your confidence grows.
Let's take a topic like daily routine. You don't need big words. Just explain step by step.
Exactly. Talk about your morning, your work, your rest time. Keep it natural.
And when you do this regularly, your speaking becomes smooth without extra effort.
Listening also plays a strong role. When you hear simple English daily, your brain learns patterns.
And those patterns slowly appear in your own speech.
Now here is a powerful idea. Do not separate English learning and exam preparation.
Combine both. When you speak daily, you are already preparing.
And when you prepare using simple language, your daily communication improves.
So everything becomes one process instead of two.
And by the way, if you are still here and learning with us, it means you are serious about improvement.
Exactly. So take a moment again, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple learning sessions.
And in the comments, tell us your goal, whether it is fluent speaking or a high exam score.
Because when you declare your goal, your focus becomes stronger.
Now coming back, many learners wait for the perfect time to start.
But progress begins only when you take action.
Even if your sentences are small, start today.
Because speaking creates clarity, and clarity builds confidence.
And confidence leads to better results in exams.
So the plan is simple. Speak daily, listen daily, repeat daily.
No pressure, no confusion, just steady practice.
And remember, English is not talent. It is a skill you can build.
And exams are not something to fear. They simply measure how clearly you communicate.
So stay calm, stay consistent, and trust your progress.
Thank you for being with us today. Keep practicing and keep improving.
We will meet again in the next session.